When we come back to our layers of team, our collaborative planning, i.e. PLCs, this is where we want to be able to look at the data from a vertical perspective. And what I mean by that is, what are the trends that we can start to see? And I know people have, in some of the sessions I was in yesterday, talking about how the data might need to get organized differently for one team than for another, just because of depth of understanding of looking at data and that. But we want to be able to look first at that trend. And this doesn't have to be overly complex, but what we want to try and get to in that collaborative planning layer, how is the key issue determined? That really comes down to a teacher determining what do they think is the primary thing getting in the way, even if there's multiple areas that are red, as you can see. So you can see even for Therese that she's red in all areas, but the teachers come in and said, I think this is the one thing. Print awareness is the first thing we need to tackle for this particular student. So what we want to be able to do then is, in that collaborative planning layer, try and have teachers create their own next steps that they need to look at, so that it's not dictated from a facilitator or an administrator. And Jess, I know I've heard you talk about this before, of how do I ensure that the teachers can own the process and I'm there to help support. This really aligns with Daniel Pink's work in the book Drive, the idea of how do we create that motivation for people. And he breaks it down to three things. How do we give autonomy? So people that have sense of control. How do we give opportunities for mastery? And then how do we ensure that there's an alignment to purpose? The way we go about doing that is having teams develop goals or priority areas based on their examination of the data. So I often use with teams this very simple template. And again, you can access it in the slides. If you click on it, it'll open up the Google Doc that you can edit. But it's not overly complex. This is the game changer when it comes to the collaborative team meeting. We start to look horizontally at our data. And does anyone want to hazard a guess which color we try and focus on primarily? Yellow. We're trying to focus on the students who are close. What could we do? So let me break down what this looks like. And again, I mentioned before, we want people coming prepared to these meetings. Here's a pre-meeting organizer that a school developed, which was very much inspired by that fill in the blank for the goal. Same thing. Fill in the blank to come ready. Even who's a student you want to celebrate based on the data.